The aquatic warbler is a reed bird. 1/4 of its world's population lives in Poland. This species became extinct in the Western Europe in 20th century. In Central Europe, its numbers also declined drastically.
This bird requires special habitats with low vegetations, which are disappearing due to agriculture and human actions. Today, the future of aquatic warbler depends on the conservation work to protect its habitats.
A special harvester has been constructed to cut tall grass and reeds in bird breeding grounds, which allows the species to survive in the Biebrza River Valley in northeastern Poland.
If you want to help us protect the aquatic warbler,
support Oto BirdLife Partner!